Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Disney Plus Premier Access to purchase early access to new releases, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app or website and log into your account. Premier Access is available to all Disney Plus subscribers for select titles. Step 2. Browse the Disney Plus homepage or search for titles marked with Premier Access. These are typically new theatrical releases available for an additional fee. Step 3. Click on the Premier Access title you want to watch. The title's details page will display the purchase price along with the standard play button. Step 4. Click the Buy with Premier Access button. This will prompt you to enter payment information if you haven't already added a payment method to your account. Step 5. Review the purchase details including the price and terms. Premier Access purchases typically grant unlimited viewing of the title as long as you maintain your Disney Plus subscription. Step 6. Confirm your purchase by clicking the Buy or Purchase button. Your payment method will be charged immediately for the Premier Access content. Step 7. Once the purchase is complete, you can watch the content immediately. It will also appear in your Disney Plus library for future viewing. Step 8. Note that Premier Access content eventually becomes available to all Disney Plus subscribers at no extra cost after a certain period, typically a few months after release. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.